Home Diaries. Every house has a story.
I'm Allison Irwin.
And I'm Brad Kenke, and we live in a really old house. My house was built in 1829 by Samuel Lewis, and he lived here with his family.
We lived a few blocks away.
Just going out for a stroll and happened upon the house. Allison and I kind of looked at it and started getting ideas.
The first time he came was alone with the realtor, and it was at night. I was picturing, a haunted house, the way he described it. It really looked like it might have been condemned.
I only saw the first floor and just a peek of the second floor because we were afraid to go to the third floor.
They were worried someone might be inside.
The house was really kind of bare, needed a lot of work, but I bought it because I could see the potential behind all of the chaos that was going on. It seemed like a great project, and I thought this could be a really cool place.
The history of the house has revealed itself to us over time.
The adjoined house at one time was a part of my house as well. In the late 1800s, the doorways between the two houses were bricked up. The old doorway that's no longer there, they're kind of a ghost of the past.
The ghost doors were covered up, but you can still see the skeleton, which is a neat reminder. We believe the wood floors are original. You can see just all the knots and the scratches and the nail heads. There's been a lot of life on this floor. Brad and I did struggle a little bit with how do we balance the age of the house with some of the modern amenities. We did install, marble and stone and a jacuzzi tub. We don't want to live like it's the 1830s, but we like that it has that framework. I really do love this house. It really is ours. We had the skeleton, but we built everything inside.
It still amazes me, the shape that the place was in and how it looks today.